Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing you an exciting and detailed construction update of Vamsiram Manhattan, one of the most awaited premium high-rise residential project located right here in Khajaguda, Hyderabad. This project is strategically located with easy access to Gachibowli, Financial District, High-Tech City and Outer Ring Road, making it a highly attractive choice for professionals and families looking for upscale living with convenience. As of this update, the work is moving at steady and impressive pace. This site is buzzing with energy. You can see multiple crane towers rising simultaneously. The basement work and parking structures for most towers has been completed and superstructure work is in full swing. The project is under construction and a planned possession date as of now is July 2029. The current quoted price is around 15,000 per square feet. As per the builder's update, the project is on schedule with expected possession timelines being closely adhered to. The team at Vamsiram Group is known for timely delivery and quality construction, and it's encouraging to see this project progressing as planned. We will continue to bring you monthly updates on this progress, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Some of the major features of the project is it has 6 clubhouses for ultimate recreation, over 2 lakh square feet of world-class amenities, and 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, 1 standard pool and a private terrace pool for each tower. The project towers are split into 2 areas, 4th Avenue and 5th Avenue, replicating the street names of Manhattan. The 4th Avenue houses range from 5,039 to 6,339, and for the 5th Avenue the houses range from 9,599 to 14,999. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on Hyderabad's future real estate projects.